Living in Canada with an Indian passport that needs to be renewed? Well, look no further. In this video, we'll share the steps for renewing your passport. In Canada, Indian passport renewal is handled by BLS. Here you can see the BLS website. Note the jurisdiction here. It's Toronto. In case you live in Ottawa or Vancouver, you'll have to select the jurisdiction respectively. A major change that has been done to the application process is that from November 16th, only pre-booked appointments will be entertained by BLS. Walk-ins are no longer permitted. In this video, we will show you the checklist that mentions the documents that you need for creating your application, the website where you can create your online application, and how to book an appointment, along with the fees as well as the time duration. Checklist for BLS application. Go to the BLS website for your specific jurisdiction. Here we will select Toronto. From the top menu under Passport Services, select New Booklet or Renewal. Now select the Documents Required tab and under Checklist, press Click here. This will open the checklist that will guide you for creating your required documents file. For passport renewal, you will need all the documents from A to H. Note that you also need a copy of this very checklist as well. Links of all the forms, including Annexure E, are available within the checklist itself. Online application. This is an application that you need to create along with the checklist. The online application can be found at embassy.passportindia.gov.in. Select the country that you reside in and create a login by registering. Filling the online application is fairly straightforward. Make sure that if you need your passport urgently, that is, your passport is expiring within 6 months, choose the Tatkal option. You will receive your passport within 8 to 10 days. Otherwise, it may take more than 8 weeks. The fees for Tatkal is around $290. A normal processing passport fees is around 74 Canadian dollars. Booking an appointment. Once your online application is complete and you have the rest of your forms as per the checklist that we mentioned earlier, you need to book an appointment. This can be done at the BLS website. On the main BLS homepage, select Submit your application and click Book an appointment. Now you will have to select a center. We selected Brampton. Under Select Service Type, please select Passport and then choose your date. Note that if you do not have an appointment, you will not be allowed to submit your documents at BLS. Some additional information. A 2-inch by 2-inch photograph is required on a white background when you're filling the application. We got ours done at Walmart for $15. In case of a minor, the child is not required to be present at the BLS Centre. Either parent can submit the form. However, to collect the passport, both parents are required. You can also opt to have the passport courier to your home for an additional $27. You would also need both parents' passport copies and an Annexure D. The thumb impression would be required in case the child is a minor. For boys, the left-hand thumb impression is required, and for girls, the right-hand thumb impression is required. Hope you liked our video. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Also mention anything about this information in the comments. Thanks and have a good day.